Material Girl. The star completely transformed into the like-a-virgin diva in the first look at her part in the movie, which is set to premiere on the Roku Channel. Talk about a flashback. Pop culture fans got quite the treat on Wednesday, March 2nd, when Evan Rachel Wood, 34, was revealed as the latest addition to the upcoming Weird Al Yankovich film starring Daniel Radcliffe, 32. The Westworld starlet will be playing none other than Madonna in the movie, which is titled Weird, the Al Yankovic story. People also got their first look at Evan's transformation into the Material Girl. She looked straight from the 80s, rocking a leather jacket with a puffy, white wedding dress. Keeping things consistent, she had teased hair, and tons of crucifixes while hanging out in what appeared to be a giant mansion. Weird Al's relationship with Madge is quite unique, compared to other artists. When he parodied her hit Like a Virgin in 1986, it was actually at the suggestion of the pop icon herself. Related gallery. Evan Rachel Wood, pics. Apparently, according to Entertainment Weekly, Madonna asked friends if they thought the singing prankster would turn the track into Like a Surgeon. While Al usually tried to stay away from accepting others' songs, the idea was too good to pass up. Also set to appear in the film is the star of The Office Rainn Wilson as radio personality Dr. Demento. Julianne Nicholson and Toby Huss have been cast as Al's parents. Al and Eric Opel have written the screenplay, with Opel directing and producing the film, which is described as a holding nothing back and exploring every facet of Yankovic's life, from his meteoric rise to fame to his torrid celebrity love affairs and famously depraved lifestyle. Fans got their first look at Harry Potter star Daniel as Weird Al last month. In the snap, he rocked long, frizzy locks and a Hawaiian shirt while playing the accordion. The actor said it was a huge honor and responsibility to play Al, telling The Hollywood Reporter, "Wearing the Hawaiian shirt is a huge responsibility that I don't take lightly, and I'm honored to finally share with the world the absolutely 100% unassailably true story of Weird Al's depraved and scandalous life."